Join me for a walk around the mall. Let's start here at Dubai Outlet Village, and later we'll head to Dubai Mall so you can see how crowded it gets during the weekend and enjoy the view of the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain at night. Let's go see if we can find something on sale here. Bought a few polo shirts and t-shirts. The deal was too good to pass up, so as a win. Now we're going to Dubai Mall, not to shop this time, but to show you the Burj Khalifa at night and just how crowded it gets on weekends. Let's head straight outside to see the fountain and the Burj Khalifa. The building often has themed light shows that are synchronized with music and the fountain. The shows usually start after sunset, typically every 30 minutes from around 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is what weekends here look like, super crowded, inside and outside the mall. Weekdays are much more chill. want it packed. This is what you'll find at the mall. This time, people are starting to leave and the mall is closing soon, so it's a bit more relaxed now.